What's up, you guys? Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a classic holiday makeup tutorial. First time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you are following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. Alright, you guys, so here we go. This is my first holiday makeup tutorial of the year. I thought since Thanksgiving was coming up, and then of course Christmas, you'd probably be starting to go to a few parties and you may just want an easy, classic, simple look. So that's what we're gonna do here. A nice simple eyes, some nice red lips, and that's what we gonna do. So also, I was watching a video by Jackie Aina, which doesn't happen often because I don't often watch Jackie Aina videos anymore. Like, Jackie Aina's like Perrier, and I'm like tap water. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, she just like super expensive, you know, and super luxurious. Like, she be doing her thing, and that's cool. I just don't really relate to her anymore. We kind of talked about that before, but I happened to find one of her videos, and she was talking about how to keep foundation on your nose and keep it from caking up and all that stuff. And so I did catch a few of her complexion tips that we're going to use in this video today. I am going to let you guys know when I'm using her tips. It's only like 2 or 3, but they might make a big difference. Who knows? I'm also going to do my makeup look backwards. So we're going to do the face first, and then we're going to go into the eyes. Y'all know that is so uncharacteristic of me, but I don't know. I'm changing up in my old age, all right? So let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so I've already primed my face using 2 of primers that I've been using a lot lately, and it's the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick, which just looks like that, and then also the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I put the primer stick all over, and I put the Milk Makeup Primer like right here and right in the corners. So yeah. For foundation, we're going to be using one of my favorites lately. I already did a full review and wear test, so click up here if you haven't seen it, but it's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm in the shade number 11 Warm. So the first tip that I wanted to try from Jackie, while I was watching that video, I noticed she used her setting spray with her foundation. Like, she put her foundation on and then she added setting spray with it, and then she blended it out all together. All right, so we're going to use the Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace baking spray. This is definitely another setting spray that I've been using and loving, and it just has an amazing like mister. It smells like alcohol, but I love it. Like, it does smell like alcohol. Woo, child. Alright, I'm going to use a brush to do my makeup as well. I'm going to use this EcoTools Ultimate Buffing Brush, and I'm going to buff everything out. And to go with that, so my second tip from Jackie is actually, do not put foundation on your nose. Blend out your foundation, and then with the leftover product on the brush, then you blend that product onto the nose. That's what Auntie Jackie said. Auntie Jackie makeup be popping. So I'm gonna wet this brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to take her advice, and we'll see how it works out. It's hard not to blend this foundation over my nose right now. Like, I've already swiped it like once or twice, but it's really hard because I'm like forgetting. Alright, so now that my foundation is all blended out, what I'm going to do is go ahead now and add foundation to the nose. Ooh, you know what? And there's still a good amount of foundation on your brush, but you put a lighter layer on the nose. And I have noticed that sometimes my foundation can look just a little cakey around the nose area. And this little trick and tidbit is supposed to prevent that. Y'all, I still can't get over how gorgeous this foundation is. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. This is my first time actually using a brush with it, but it's so gorgeous. Alright, so as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal under the eyes. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Y'all know I love this one, and I'm in the shade Sand. I was gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder, but we're gonna be bougie today since it's the holidays, right? And I'm gonna use the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I haven't used this in a while, and we're gonna use it. You know why I don't use this? Because the packaging is just, I don't love it. But I think I'm gonna take the cap off of it and use it more because I do love the powder. We're going full glam on the face, you guys. We're gonna cream contour using my new favorite cream contour. It's the Juvia's Place, I think these are foundation sticks, and it's in the shade Benin. I love this. Okay, I did a full video. If you have not seen it, I will link it. Make sure you check it out, but yeah, we're gonna cream contour. Might as well go all out, right? I mean, it's the holiday season. Might as well go all out. So I'm just gonna take my blending sponge and I'm gonna blend that out. All right, that blending sponge is not working that well, so we're gonna blend it out using a brush. That's what I usually use, is a brush, but I was trying to be different today. But sometimes you just gotta leave well enough alone, you know? Boom, boom, boom. We are all blended out. Next, I'm gonna set my entire face. I'm gonna use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, which looks like this. And you guys know I love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna take that and I'm just going to sweep it all over the face. Continuing on with the bougie theme, because why not, right? We're gonna use the Natasha Denona Contour and Sculpting Powder. And it looks like that. I don't use this very often and I don't know why. I have no idea why, but it's super pretty. So we're gonna use it today. It blends out so smoothly and so easily. And it's not super pigmented. You ever had those bronzers that were super pigmented? And as soon as you put it on your face, it just gives you the biggest wash of color and you like, whoa, whoa. And then you gotta work like a mad dog trying to blend it out. Yeah, those are the worst. This one isn't so bad. All right, face is officially snatched, boo. So I'm gonna step off of the bougie real quick and we're gonna use a blush by ColourPop. This is the Shayla and ColourPop Under Construction Blush in Construct. And this is one of my favorite blushes, like of all time, like ever. Like ever, ever, ever. I love this blush. I don't know why I'm using this brush right here. I didn't mean to, but it's cool. Just so pretty, and it has like a subtle sparkle to it. Alright, last thing for the face, we have to make sure, of course, we are sufficiently highlight. Alright, so I am going to use the CoverFX Custom Enhancer Drops. These are in the shade Moonlight, and they're so gorgeous. Go over that with this highlighter right here. It's the Pure and Barbie collab, and this highlighter was so pretty, so pretty. So I'm going to take a mixture of this little corner right here and then also this middle shade, and I'm going to highlight my face using those. To the eyes. I swear to you, this is going to be the easiest eye look you've ever done. Like, I promise you. So, first things first, I'm just going to take a blending brush. This is a Profusion brush. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use this NARS face powder right here. This is the Soft Velvet Pressed Powder in Heat. Just use something close to your skin tone, just a tad bit darker. Like, that's just a tad bit darker than my skin tone. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna lightly place it in the crease of my eyes. You see how it's super soft and it almost looks like I don't have anything on my eyes? That's the look I am going for right now. So, really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly. Throwback, I know. But I had it, I was like, girl, you need to pull that out and use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that in the, like the first maybe 3/4 of my eye. This, what is this? The Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in number 13. So these don't have names, they just have numbers. Ooh, it's so messy. It's a loose powder, so I'm just gonna work out of whatever's in the cap. And let me go find a clean, I'm gonna get a clean like shader brush. I'm just gonna take the product in the cap and I'm gonna add it to the lid. And I promise you guys, it's not this like pearlescent without the base. I would definitely put a base down if you're gonna use these, because it just makes it that much more, like, it just makes it pop that much more, you know? So here's my lid, super easy. I'm gonna take this smaller blending brush and I'm gonna open my NARS powder again, and I'm just going to add some product to my lower lash line. Alright, so now it's time to line the eyes. I'm actually going to use gel liner today. This is my Sigma gel liner in Wicked. I do have a Sigma discount code also. If you're interested, it's linked down below in the description box. So I'm gonna use the Morphe E39. It's a super just small detailed brush. lashes, I'm going to use these eBay lashes. I've shown you guys these a million times. They're in the style A20. I'm going to use these lashes. I'm going to apply them and I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are done. I'm going to slap some mascara on here and they're complete. That's the last step. I'm using this Milk Makeup Kush mascara. This has been one of my favorites lately. So last thing we're going to do is put on a lip. You need a fire red lip for the holiday season, let me tell you. So I have my favorite lip combo right here. The first thing I'm going to use is this Illamasqua. This is the coloring pencil and it's in the shade Lust. So we're just going to line the lips and then I'm also going to fill them in because that helps with the longevity of the lipstick. As far as the lipstick goes, I'm going to take the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick and I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon Bear, and it's not a red, it's a little deeper cinnamony almost, but it's so pretty on the lips, you guys. Not in a bright red mood, like even around the holidays, and then depending on my skin tone, if I have a little bit of tan, sometimes I'm just not in a bright red mood. So this is a really good red for those of you who don't like a bright red. And for the very last step, I'm going to take this Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist and I'm just going to mist my face with it just to give me a little more glow. You guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I tried to make it simple, well, more so the eyes. I tried to make the eyes super simple so you guys could really follow along and really recreate this look for any of your holiday festivities. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.